Digital transformation could be defined as organizational change through the use of digital tools, technologies, and business models to improve performance.
That key outcome, improving performance, is hard for businesses to achieve.
Research shows that 87% of digital transformation initiatives fail to meet expectations.
Successful digital transformation is driven by strong leaders. It requires governance across silos and employee engagement.
And those employees must be given opportunities to develop their digital competencies.
We designed the Digital Transformation in Practice program to offer a practical, step-by-step approach.
It's based on a decade of research with hundreds of interviews with digital transformation practitioners.
We take you through the entire digital transformation process, from defining clear objectives to keeping momentum going once you've achieved it.
You'll explore how to set up the right organizational dynamics, how to capture value from digital initiatives, and how to engage stakeholders. You'll learn from real-world experiences
and familiarize yourself with best practices for implementing your digital transformation. With support from your own dedicated executive coach, you'll work through your own challenges.
Digital transformation in practice will give you a clear idea of the challenges you'll face and the solutions for overcoming them. Join us online and let us help you accelerate and take the risk out of your organization's digital transformation implementation.